Make no mistake, we are at war. Every time an illegal dances across our border, it is an act of aggression against this sovereign state, an overt act of terrorism.
Set up, double-cross, and left for dead.
You think what you do is right? Taking your brothers and sisters in? Deporting them back to their own personal hells? It's a law. There are many laws.
You want me to help you kill all these men?
Yes, bro.
I'll see what I can do.
Raised in a legacy of crime.
Everybody says this place come for jobs.
Who is everybody?
You think running for King Benny's a good idea, huh?
Pays.
A lot of things pay.
Not like this.
But when a childhood prank resulted in an accident,
The court hereby sentences you to no less than 1 year at the Wilkinson Home for Boys.
the punishment
You gotta have rules and you gotta have discipline.
was far more than they deserved.
It's a lot of power to have over a boy, isn't it?
I don't want anybody to know.
So might as well not even talk about it. The truth stays with us.
Years later, they bound together
He went in there.
There isn't any time to waste. Is there? It does make a considerable difference to me having someone with me on whom I can thoroughly rely. It was nice to see you, Watson. Lord Blackwood.
The witness stated that he saw Lord Blackwood rise from the grave.
Gonna raise a force that will alter the course of the world.
He's just as brilliant as you are, and infinitely more devious.
We'll see about that.
Nice touch.
I was simply studying your methods. Should the authorities ask me to hunt you down.
Holmes, leave the case alone.
Case for you. Save your bullets, Watson. I'm taking this stone out of the headlines. I'm rubbing him out.
Hey, Tracy, watch out!
You take Tracy to me. I say we kill Tracy now.
You challenge me, we all go down!
Are you gonna arrest me?
I want to know who killed Lips Manless.
Not the bad, big boy, not the bad!
I know, and I'm gonna miss you, but all's fair in love and business.
Whose side are you on?
Side I'm always on. Mine.
What? What's the word out? Lips territory is my territory now. Everything he owns, I own.
Move in and take your positions. Okay, boys, let's go. And you, guilty of attempting to bribe.
Who's that? Please get me out of here.
You want me to get wet on account of you? Hey man, I got on Swiss cotton underpants.
I'm gonna drown, sir.
Come on, we'll get the time of death from autopsy.
Please.
Come on, man. He ain't worth it. You are crazy. Come on.
The good news, Terrence, is I'll okay you to return to full duty. The bad news is that you'll be experiencing moderate to severe back pain.
Recognition of his leadership and tenacity, Lieutenant Terrence McDonough.
This is who we're looking for. Name is Donald Godshaw. You up to this?
Why wouldn't I be?
Still having problems with your back? You taking medication for it?
Only what the doctor prescribes.
Can never be identified.
We've got a handful of false identities used on visas, passports.
My name is Bruno Rautenfaust.
Ivanovic.
I'm Tony Stubbins.
A man who doesn't exist can never be caught.
I've been chasing him for nearly 2 years. He eluded a hit squad this morning in Holland Park.
A man who doesn't love can never truly be alive.
This woman has discovered something that will revolutionize the world.
It's a formula for creating energy.
You will steal it for me.
How did you do that?
Magic. When we master this technology.
They want to get mixed up in a family business? You gotta get up close like this. Bada bing! You blow their brains all over your nice Ivy League suit.
You give him one message, I want Salazzo. Now that's all our war, we go to the back. Some of the other families won't sit still. They hand me Salazzo. Father would want to hear this. This is business
business, not personal.
They shot my father. That's business.
Even the
or
shooting of your
ass.
father was business, not personal.
You know my father. Men are coming here to kill him.
I never wanted this for you.
Mr. White, Mr. Blonde, Mr. Pink.
Why am I Mr. Pink?
Who cares what your name is?
Yeah, that's easy for you to say. You're Mr. White. You have a cool sounding name.
Let's go to work.
Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right.
What happens if the manager won't give you the diamonds?
Cut off one of his fingers. The little one.
I feel scared in case I fall out of the chair. And I'm wondering how I'll get down the stairs.
If they hadn't done what I told them not to do, they'd still be alive.
It's so hard to keep the smile from my face. I'm all over the place.
You're acting like a first-year thief. I'm acting like a professional.
Milshan presents a Sergio Leone film starring Robert De Niro. Once Upon a Time in America. The story of friends. As boys, they made a pact to share their fortunes,
Agreed.
their loves, and their lives.
You'll put up and you'll shut up. You hear nothing and you see nothing. Just like you did for Bugsy.
You was better off you stayed in the Bronx.
As men, they shared a dream.
I swear to God, Noodles, you and me together, we can make it come true.
To rise together from poverty to power.
There they are, the four horsemen of the apocalypse.
A dream they followed through 2 decades that changed the nation.
You ever think of setting yourselves up in business?
Oh my God!
They forged an empire.
You like your money a lot.
Yes,
don't
a lot.
you? Well, how about that?
I want to settle down. I want a family.
You got the wrong girl.
You'll be set up for the rest of your life.
You don't know me. What do you know me 2-3 months?
They had it all. They ran the show. And it was paradise while it lasted.
They found a guy's head in the desert. That's no good.
We got a problem. He doesn't listen to me. Maybe you should get lost for a while. Take a vacation.
Can't make it any clearer, Sam. I would just get out.
I tried to do everything for you, even though I knew deep down inside
Don Vito
you were
Corleone and his son Michael. Both had seen the ones they loved most cut down before their eyes. Both had killed as an act of vengeance. Both commanded the most powerful and merciless crime organization in the world.
Is it true that in the year 1950, you devised the murder of the heads of the so-called 5 families in New York? It's a complete falsehood.
They would take any measures.
I mean, you've won. You want to wipe everybody out?
I don't feel I have to wipe everybody out, Tom. Just my enemies.
Make any arrangement.
Michael, we're bigger than U.S. Steel. Whether or not you can maintain loyalty.
Night of the fight, you may feel a slight sting. Pride only hurts. It never helps. In the 5th, your ass goes down.
I have to say, you play with matches, you get burned.
We should have shotguns for this kind of deal.
We're in a lot of danger, aren't we?
I'm prepared to scour the earth for that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I break your concentration?
Get down, get down. You got a corpse in a car, minus the head in the garage. Take me to it.
Don't you hate that?
Hey, what?
Uncomfortable silences.